Hi, this is Leanna Langley with Cadwell Realty Group, and today we get to talk with Joshua Kittel from OPES Advisors about reverse mortgages and how there is sometimes a misconception of reverse mortgages in the marketplace and what that looks like. So if you're 62 years or older and you own a home, or your parents are 62 years or older and own their home, there may be some questions about a reverse mortgage. And I know you and I had talked the other day about this, and kind of just give people a picture of what that looks like when somebody calls you and says, hey, I'm interested in a reverse mortgage.
Okay, sure. Yeah, you're seeing actually a lot more advertising on TV, so this actually comes up quite a bit with clients and stuff because it's very heavily marketed on TV. And a reverse mortgage, like all mortgage products, there's no really bad mortgage product, just making sure you're matching it to the correct person. And there's a lot of confusion around how these programs work, but they can be very, very beneficial and helpful for people in their retirement age that are, we call it equity rich, but maybe cash poor.
Okay.
Yeah, so that's...
Yeah, and I know a lot of us are bombarded. In fact, just last night, I saw a commercial online, this, guy talking about reverse mortgages and you should do it, grab that money. But really, you kind of do a consultation with these people, right? And maybe even their children. Yeah,
with a reverse mortgage, I think it's very important to sit down and have a very honest conversation and finding out, one, what their goals are with the reverse, why they seeking it, what their attachment is to that property, and that property as far as, the importance of making sure that property is left for their inheritance, So that's a conversation to have.
Okay.
So I think it's important to, when you're going to consider that, to talk both with both spouses, the children. If you're very close with children, they're going to be very involved in your retirement plan going forward, making sure that perhaps they're involved and know what's going on so they don't feel like something's happening. And then also if you have a good financial advisor that you've been working with that helps advise your retirement accounts, having a conversation with them and just getting a bigger, more holistic picture of how this would fit into all that, I think something's very important.
Okay. And so the right financial solution for a current or maybe in a future need. I know some of these say that you can go ahead and use a reverse mortgage to pay off an existing mortgage, and so kind of get into more of an equity position and feel more stable, right, in your older years.
Yeah,
right?
Yeah. You can use reverse mortgages for both purchase of a new property or to just basically like a refinancing your current property. Right. And there's several different ways that you can structure that. And the key driving factor, you mentioned the age at the beginning, that's a key factor in reverse mortgages is based on your age, and it's going to be the age of the youngest borrower, people live in the house, so the spouse.
Oh, okay.
You may not have both spouses on the loan,
right?
But there is another spouse in the house. So we look at the age there, and as you become older, you don't need as much of an equity position to make this type of loan work. And so that's a key factor. Again, based on your age, how much equity must remain in the property at funding.
Okay. That's good to know. So really the key points are age, of course, a financial plan. Make sure you talk to a financial planner. Make sure you sit down with a professional that's local, maybe not some random guy that's on the news, or not the news, but between the news and seeing it on a commercial. You want to get face-to-face with Joshua Kittel here at OPES Advisors and speak to him about the benefits of a reverse mortgage and what that looks like for you going forward.
Absolutely. Yep.
So any other key points we should remember about that?
No, I think, if you're something you're thinking about, have that conversation. It shouldn't cost you any money to have that conversation. You won't be able to actually take an official application until you've actually completed a class. So whichever lender you work with, whether it's me or someone else, once you've had that conversation and you decide to go forward, they will give you a list of places where you can take that class, and then after you've completed the class and received a certificate, then you can make formal application and go for it at that point.
Yeah, really important to get all your steps in line, and again, talk to a professional. So this is Leanna Langley with Cadwell Realty Group. Joshua Kittel, OPES Advisors, really does a wide range of lending here locally, and of course very adept to helping you with any reverse mortgage questions. So again, Leanna Langley, Cadwell Realty Group. Feel free to reach out to me about any questions. Thank you for watching this video.